Say hi, Bill.
Hi.
What you doing?
I'm just in the chair.
Yeah. We say the Lord's Prayer.
I'm working. Here we go.
Thank you for sharing. What are you doing today? Is it a school day? Is it a school day?
It's purple.
Where'd it go?
I closed it.
You closed it?
Yeah.
Okay. Who are you going to see at school today?
I'm missing Miss Nadia.
Miss Nadia.
I found it.
You found it. Who else are you going to see?
I'm missing Miss Minna.
Yay! And?
And Yay!
Really? And who else? Who are your buddies?
And Jaden!
Who?
And Jaden!
Really? And are you going to do romp time?
Nope.
Are you going to sing songs?
Nope.
What are you going to do? You going to do some art?
Nope.
You going to sit there?
Yeah. I'm sitting here.
You are? And what do you do while you're sitting there?
I take a bang for Miss Nadia.
You are?
Yeah.
Aw.
Sit there.
Because you get good rest.
I take a good rest. To over to me.
Okay. Do you read books?
No.
No books?
But
Okay. You ready to say bye-bye?
no.
What do you want to say?
I would say I adopted surprise. Where is Mimi?
Mimi went bye-bye.
Where is Puppy?
He's at work. You want to sing a song?
Nope.
No?
I see it.
There you are. Hi, Bill.
Hi,
Are you having a good morning?
No.
No? Daddy made you French toast.
Fish talk.
Yeah, it was yummy.
Yes.
Did you eat it?
Yes.
Because it was delicious?
Yes.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Mwah.
Mwah.
Okay. So sweet.
I'll see it.
Okay.